Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around a 1965 Pontiac LeMans. This is a GTO clone with a 400 under the hood, power steering, disc brakes in the front. We're gonna be walking around pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Check out maplemotors.com for additional information, financing, and shipping. We ship all over the world. All right, guys, we're gonna start up here in the front. Gonna look down the car. The front bumper is older. It's got some little rust spots popping up. It's pitted. It hasn't been changed. The grill on the front end looks pretty good. A couple of little spots in it from the road. Headlight bezels are in great shape. Nice and clean. Get down the side of the car. I don't see any waves. It's looking pretty straight. The tires on this thing are like new. Wheels look pretty good. Trim around the windows, nice and shiny. We will be shutting down the hood about halfway through this video. Checking the bottoms of the doors. Looking for any imperfections I can find here. Looks like paint's a little thick in this corner here. I don't know if that's a bubble or not. That may be a little bubble trying to pop through. There's a chip right here. Door handle seems to be in good shape. Doesn't have pitting popping up on it. Trim looks pretty good. Weather stripping around the vent windows in good shape. These little pieces are getting some rust on them. We do have that boot for the top. The top is in great shape. Check out that in the detailed pictures. Weather stripping around the trunk. Looks fairly good. Don't think it needs to be replaced. Back bumper's in great shape. Dual exhaust out the back. We got a magnet tag on here. Just for the time being. Oh, there's a little spot popping up here with some of the chrome coming off. As you can see, here's the boot for the top. Pulling up the trunk here. It's like fiberglass. Had some fiberglass work done back here. I don't know why. Trunk pan doesn't look bad. Pretty solid. That may be where the old carpet was laid down and glued. I think that's what it is. It does look like fiberglass so close up. Checking around in the trunk. Got some surface rust popping up here. Something you need to know about there. Try to stop or prevent that. Let's look on this other side. Trunk lid itself is in great shape. See how good she shuts. Nice and easy. All right, made it down this side. Paint's a little thick there in the corner. A little bubble popping up there. Same with the corner of the door there. Tiny little bubbles. Some pitting popping up on the mirror. All right, made it all the way around. Let's go ahead and check this interior out. Back seat's in pretty good shape. Like I said, the top looks like it's been replaced. Door panel looks pretty good. Nice and clean, weather stripping, fairly new. See some of those bubbles that are on the inside there. Carpet has been replaced in this one. Edge of the seat showing signs of wear. And on the inside, that's your seat belt there. Looks like the little pieces broke. Doesn't look too bad. Go ahead and place your bets if you think the horn works. Little game we like to play on this channel. See what she got. Gas gauge is working. It was floating around during the test drive. It's showing 91,000 miles on the dash. Of course, can't stand behind that. Windshield wipers, they do work. Blower motor, I couldn't get anything to happen here, so I'm gonna say it needs repair. Same with the radio. Radio does not work. Oil pressure's up around 40. Engine temp's a little over 190. It should come down as we sit here. There we go. Let's go ahead and try this horn. No beep beep. Horn does not work. Got a little squeaky belt or a squeaky pulley up here. Idle's down pretty low. We're gonna have to idle her up. See if we can do it without a tool. There we go. Ow. All right, I got it turned. One turn, one turn. Start it up again. There we go. Let's try this again. Guess when she warmed up, the idle went way down. We were in the middle of a test drive. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the hood down here. It shuts down nice and easy, just barely pushing it. Looks pretty good, lines up well. Little spot right here in the hood. All right, I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots. We're gonna go up under the front, driver's side, rear, and passenger side. Do got close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, so be sure to check that out. If you don't mind, guys, go ahead, hit subscribe. Also subscribe to our other social media stuff. We just started on that TikTok, making some goofy videos. We also do Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. So join us on all that. And if you like the music, top right-hand corner, you can go ahead and subscribe to that channel. I make all that as well. I appreciate y'all watching. maplemotors.com has financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures. All of our inventory is updated every Monday. And hopefully that helped y'all out. Definitely check out the test drive video. Take these cars down the road, see what they can do. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good one, guys.